Well, everyone, this past week has not been a good one for theme park fans in DC and Maryland. Today I was originally going to make a video on the new Frontier Unlocked featuring Update 5 for Planet Coaster 2, but this Thursday, May 1st, Six Flags announced that Six Flags America in Bowie, Maryland, just north of DC, would be closing permanently at the end of 2025. I'm kind of shocked, but not really. We all knew this was going to happen, and it was only a matter of time until it did. And hey, at least they gave us a heads up, unlike some other rides. I've only been to this park once, in August 2024, and unfortunately I got rained out. I missed Firebird, Roar, and Batwing, the last remaining Vekoma Flying Dutchman. I hope I'll be able to make it back this summer because it would really suck missing out on those credits. The press release basically just said Six Flags America is not in our plan for the future, blah blah blah. This was a quote-unquote difficult decision. Yeah, right, no way I'm believing that. The last day the park will be open is November 2nd, 2025, and yeah, that's it. That's it for this quite charming park that I will miss dearly. And I'm not joking. This was a very cute little park. I will miss it. I know. Controversial, but I really don't care. Now, what will happen to the coasters? For every coaster, I'll give my opinion on what I think will happen to it. Going in alphabetical order, Batwing might get relocated, but I highly doubt it, because it's the last of its kind, and while it might have gotten some parts from Nighthawk, I don't think it'll last long. So I'll say scrap. Maybe if we get really lucky, it could be moved to King's Dominion to replace Anaconda. That probably has about as much of a chance of happening as GTA 6 being released this year. Firebird is definitely screwed. It's a relocation, it got converted into a floorless, it's super rough, and not many people like it. Maybe the trains could be sent off to Carowinds for a Vortex floorless treatment, which would breathe new life into that ride and give Carowinds a great supporting coaster. Great Chase will probably just get moved to another smaller park somewhere. Joker's Jinx could get moved, but I think it's more likely to be scrapped and have its parts shipped off to Flight of Fear, because I have heard the Flight of Fear closing rumors, and I really hope it doesn't happen. And Joker's Jinx can probably save it for a few more years. ScreaMore will probably just get moved to a smaller park. There's no way they're scrapping that thing, unfortunately. Raging Cajun is definitely getting moved to another park. That ride has already been relocated, and it's actually decently smooth, so why scrap it? Roar is screwed. Superman is easily getting moved somewhere. It just got new trains this season, and I would be shocked if they were to scrap it. Wild One, sadly, is probably going to get scrapped too. It's a great wooden coaster, so it will be an absolute shame to see it go. Maybe we'll get lucky and a small independent park will pick it up, but that's probably unlikely. I'm sure the flat rides will probably just get relocated around the chain, and, well, that's it. That's the end of Six Flags America. It's crazy, honestly. I heard about the news just about right when it came out, and started writing the script for this video literal minutes after. I guess it's just because they were losing money from this thing and they need to keep their shareholders happy. And with what's been going on with the stock market as a whole, I'm not surprised they wanted to cut costs. I really think that this merger was doom and gloom for the entire amusement industry, and it's getting really hard to see the light at the end of the tunnel, with rides and even entire parks closing left and right. What could be next? Flight of Fear? Hurler? Actually, I wouldn't mind that. Overall, they really need to stop destroying anything that costs them a pretty penny to uphold. That's all I'll say. I get that it's just corporate being corporate, but I hope it gets better soon. To sort of try to end things out, this video was just a short little rant about Six Flags America closing. This video was literally not planned at all. I already had 2 videos planned for this weekend with the Alpengeist review and the Frontier Unlocked video, so we'll see what happens with those. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content in the future. Press F to pay respect in the comments for Six Flags America, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, Six Flags America. You will be dearly missed.